So when you open up the app, you're gonna have two options, guided and pro version. Let's start with the guided. So it's gonna ask you 9 questions. Go ahead and fill out what you know and what you don't know. You can always go back anytime to fill out the rest of that information. All right, now it's asking you to start on step 1, which is the introduction shot. Of course, this would probably be the shot that you'd start with the outside, and then you go to the next step, which would be inside. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna start right here in the front foyer entrance. Now, in the guided access, it's going to give you a recommendation. It's gonna actually point an arrow to say, try going in this direction. You could decide and change that if you'd like. Again, it's totally up to you. I'm gonna start with the light fixtures coming down, even though the app's telling me to go sideways. Now I'll have a countdown on the left-hand side. And it'll actually automatically stop recording, so you don't need to do that. All right, so now it's telling me to get into the next position, which would be the living room. So let's go ahead and follow along, and we have the living room here. All right, so based on the guided example, it's actually telling me to use some type of wall or framing to go ahead and go across. I'll do that just because I actually like that shot. All right, so it's actually gonna do an auto playback, so you can actually check your footage to make sure you like it. And if you decide to continue going on, just click on that done button. Congratulations, step 2 complete. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so now the app's telling us to go ahead and start in the kitchen, so let's get started. All right, so now this app will give you, again, a guided example of what you should shoot next. I wanna get some more details of this kitchen, so even though this says go ahead and shoot the bedroom, I'm gonna continue shooting the kitchen. All right, so now I'm gonna shoot this stove and this kind of hood, and I wanna start with some type of reveal shot. So I'm gonna start low, and as I go up, it's going to reveal the stove in the background and also the top of this countertop. All right, so I chose to continue showing more about the kitchen because I feel like the kitchen, family room, master bedroom, or living room are the main selling points of any home. All right, so now because I went with the guided tour, it's actually telling me that I've finished recording the actual guide. So what I want to do is I want to continue recording. It's going to give me that option. I'm going to say I want to do another 3-second video. So I can go ahead and shoot the master bedroom or other features that I want to showcase, but I can also slide this across and it's going to give me the option to do a voiceover. So if I want to explain to somebody, this kitchen or the size of the house, I can actually do a voiceover with this. It also has speed up and mini laps, some other cool features that you can use with this app.